In today's episode, we're going to do a follow-up to an episode we did 2 weeks ago on Silage Tarps. Hey everybody, it's Alan Schaefer at Custom Garden Solutions. Got a very exciting episode for you today, and for the first time ever, you'll be glad to know it's going to be a short episode. If you remember, a couple weeks ago I did an episode on silage tarps, how to use them, when to use them, why to use them, where to use them, etc. And if you're interested in watching that episode, you can go to end of this episode and you click on the card and you can watch that episode. Today's episode is just about pulling up the silage tarp and showing you what's underneath. So let's get to it. Go ahead and grab it. Pull it tight. Sweet. All right, now I got the silage tarp off, and I'm going to just rake this up a little bit to show you how loose the soil is and how easy it's going to be to work with. All right, so this soil's been in here all winter long, and if you see, look how easy this is to work. Look how loose that is. See that? Show you how loose this is. And again, this is hasn't been touched. Look at this. There's probably 6 inches of soil there that I could just look at that. So this is, all I'm going to do is rake it like this, and this is ready to plant. All right, now I'm just going to show you real quick how easy, look at this. Look how easy that is to dig into. Without even using my foot. And then I can pat it down, and you barely know that I dug there. Look at this. So now I've unveiled a great mystery about what's it going to look like underneath the silage tarps. And as you can see, the soil is dark, and it's rich, and it's loamy, and it's loose, and it's easy to work in, and it's weed-free. But what excites me the most is I'm about ready to get started. It's the end of May here in Zone 5B. I'm just outside Chicago, and it's ready to plant in. So I don't have to worry about anything. I'm going to put things in and they're just going to grow like crazy. If you don't have a landscaping rake, I recommend if you have a larger garden that you get one. As you saw, it kind of, this side will rough up the soil a little bit. The other side you could use to level it out. So if you're planting things like carrots and spinach and kale and other small seeds, it really helps to have a nice level soil so that it irrigates better and it just grows better. So I'll put a link down below to the landscape rake, and you can pick one of these up at Amazon. So I'm going to pull off the rest of the silage tarps where I'm going to grow. Where I'm not going to grow, I'm going to leave the silage tarps on. And next I'll be putting in the irrigation system. So look forward to an exciting episode on me putting in the irrigation system. So I'm Alan Schaefer at Custom Garden Solutions. Our channel is all about helping you grow herbs and vegetables so that you can live a healthier and happier life. If you're new to the channel and you want to learn all about growing herbs and vegetables and all kinds of really awesome garden stuff, then start today by subscribing and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss anything, because you never know what I'm going to be doing next.